Radiator oil-filled space heaters are a staple for zone heating, offering quiet operation, steady warmth, and a low-profile design that blends into living spaces. They excel in bedrooms and offices where ducted heat is impractical or noise must be minimized. This comparison evaluates 5 popular models across a price spectrum from budget to premium.
List number 1. Amazon Basics Portable Oil Radiator Heater for Indoor Use. This budget-friendly oil-filled radiator from Amazon Basics presents the simple, space-saving tower design with 3 heat settings, 600 watts, 1000 watts, and 1500 watts, and 7 oil-filled fins to deliver steady, radiant warmth. It emphasizes safety with tip-over and overheat protection and relies on passive convection for quiet operation, making it suitable for bedrooms and home offices. Its slim footprint and carry-friendly design are notable advantages for tight spaces. Performance and user experience. With 144 square feet heating coverage, it delivers consistent warmth in small to medium rooms. The absence of a fan means near-silent operation, but can result in slower distribution in larger spaces or rooms with poor insulation. The unit is portable, featuring caster wheels and a handle, but its 100-volt rating is a potential limitation for regions without compatible electrical infrastructure. Users should verify outlet compatibility and extension cord use. Safety features are solid for basic use, though no smart controls or timer are included beyond manual operation.
List number 2. Amazon Basics Portable Oil Radiator Heater for Indoor Use. This black variant shares the same core specifications as the white model, including 3 heat settings, 7 oil fins, and the same 144 square foot coverage. The black finish is a practical aesthetic choice for modern spaces and reduces visible dust accumulation, while maintaining the same compact footprint and portability features as its sibling. Performance and user experience. The parallel specs translate to identical heating performance and energy use. The 120-volt operation and 15A-ish draw, 12.5A listed, will comfortably handle typical room setups, but like the white version, lacks advanced features such as a digital display, timer, or remote. The lack of additional safety features beyond tip-over and overheat protection remains a consideration for households seeking smart home compatibility or programmable schedules.
List number 3. Polonis Oil-Filled Radiator Heater. Polonis brings a compact 1500-watt oil-filled radiator with 7 fins and 360-degree heating for even warmth. The design emphasizes energy efficiency with 3 heat modes, 600 watts, 900 watts, and 1500 watts, and an adjustable thermostat. It includes ETL safety-compliant components and a rapidly heatable oil-filled core aimed at faster warmth distribution in small to medium spaces. Performance and user experience. The Polonis unit highlights quieter operation thanks to oil fill with no fan and claims 32% enhanced heat efficiency via 7 fins. Its 250 square feet coverage suggests suitability for larger classrooms or living areas relative to the budget Amazon Basics options. The inclusion of a simple knob control with caster wheels supports straightforward usage, and the safety features, tip-over and overheat, are robust. However, as with other oil-filled radiators, there is no smart connectivity or remote control, and warmer operation requires continuous power draw.
List number 4. Polonis Radiator Heater for Large Space. This Polonis model targets larger spaces with a 1500W rating and 3 heat modes, 600W, 900W, 1500W. It emphasizes quiet operation due to the absence of a fan and offers a straightforward dual-knob control scheme for quick adjustments. The unit includes clear safety features such as tip-over protection and an indicator light, along with a portable design featuring 4 casters and a front handle. Performance and user experience. With a stated coverage of 161 to 445 square feet, the spec appears as 161-45 square feet, likely a formatting artifact. It aims to balance speed and sustained warmth in mid to large rooms. The heater's rapid warm-up combined with long-lasting warmth suits living rooms or home offices that require consistent comfort. The simple interface can be a pro or con depending on user preference for digital controls, and there is no timer or smart features. The unit's overall build quality and safety prospects are competitive within Polonis's lineup.
List number 5. Drio Oil-Filled Radiator. Drio positions itself as a feature-rich premium option, delivering 1,500 watts of heat with 7 fins for rapid warmth. It combines a digital thermostat, remote control, 24-hour timer, and eco mode, along with a large LED display and touchscreen interface. Safety is emphasized with triple overheat protection, tilt protection, and a child lock. And the unit is designed for quiet 360-degree heating distribution in larger rooms. Performance and user experience. The 24/7 timer, digital thermostat, and remote control elevate convenience for bedrooms and home offices. Eco mode helps manage energy usage, while the 360-degree heating with 7 fins provides brisk warmth across a 250-square-foot area. The telegraphed safety stack, ETL listing, fire-resistant material, and multiple protections adds confidence for families. The caveats are higher cost and reliance on electronics that require power, and potential battery life considerations for the remote. Some users may prefer a simpler control scheme.